Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the upload date in a file in your Google Drive. Let's begin. First, Google doesn't actually let you edit upload files directly, but don't worry, I'll show you two super easy workarounds that get the job done. First, open Google Drive and find the file you want to refresh or change the date, okay? So here on the G drive, click on the three dots next to it. For example, this specific file. Over here, we have the three dots, which shows more actions. Click on it, and you can choose Make a Copy. Now, Google will create a brand new copy for your file, and that copy will automatically have today's upload date. So over here, make a copy. Let's wait for it. And then over here, as you can see, this is the original timestamp. And the copy of the file is a few minutes after. All right. If you want, you can now delete the original file by clicking the three dots again. So over here, more actions. You can simply choose move to trash. All right. So you can now rename your new copy by removing the copy of this part. Okay. And then just make it look like the original. And there you go. Your file now shows the current date. Another way is to simply download the file to your PC, then upload it again to Google Drive. And that's it. Even though Google doesn't allow users to manually change timestamps for security and tracking reasons, these little tricks let you refresh a file's upload date in seconds. I hope you found this video very helpful.